This portable wet-dry vacuum cleaner is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. This small shop vacuum is ideal for quick pickups around the house. Dorm, apartment, or condo. Upright vacuums can't handle every job. And most are certainly not portable vacuum cleaners. This wet-dry vacuum can handle those jobs without taking up precious space. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Compact and portable wet-dry vacuum cleaner has a large ergonomic carry handle, making this small, lightweight vacuum easy to carry and transport. Number 2. A stable, flat bottom design prevents the small shop vacuum cleaner from tipping over. Number 3. 10-foot power cord. 4 feet hose and all shop vacuum attachments store on board, keeping everything needed close at hand. Number 4. The vacuum includes an integrated blowing port for added versatility. Number 5. It includes portable shop vacuum cleaner, hose, filter bag, utility nozzle attachment, car nozzle attachment, owner's manual, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. I noticed a loose round piece under the cover inside the cylinder mesh cage. Is this normal? Answer: yes. It is normal. That part is called the float that mainly prevents the water to enter the motor during wet pickup. The float goes up as the water fills up the drum. Question number 2. Does this vacuum have a blower? Answer: yes. This particular vacuum has a built-in blower feature for blowing out leaves or any other debris. To use it as a blower, simply attach your hose to the port located at the backside by the electrical cord entry. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.